All right. It's raining blessings today. Cause from Lollapalooza, kasi magpe-perform ang SB19 sa Lollapalooza and that's a big deal. It's a world stage. Napakalupit nun. Meron na namang Summer Sonic Japan. Well, I don't have any idea, pero this is an international festival I think as well. Summer Sonic Japan. Oh my god, we got the Lollapalooza one and we got another one, the Summer Sonic Japan. Okay, thank you so much. Natutupad ng paunti-unti ang pangarap natin and oh my god, we are so happy. But we're gonna dive in and I personally am gonna look for results kung ano ba talaga and I'm gonna search what Summer Sonic Japan is. Okay? So panoorin muna natin tong video ni Miss O. Shoutouts to Miss O. Type MISSOH, Miss O, and that's where you get SB19 news all day, all year, man. Okay, so this is from Lollapalooza to Summer Sonic Japan. Let's check it out, man.
And we are delighted to announce that we will be performing at Summer Sonic 2020.
From
Just like the
Lollapalooza
ship.
now to Summer Sonic Japan, SB19 is making history left and right.
By the way, let me just say that Summer Sonic is a nice name for a festival. I don't know if it's a festival, but damn, man, Summer Sonic is awesome. So it's around summer, alright?
We have received the biggest surprise when Lollapalooza Chicago has dropped its official lineup at nakita natin ang pangalan ng SB19. And now, here's another big surprise. Summer Sonic, one of Japan's biggest and most prominent music festival, has dropped its official lineup at
The Strokes, Bump of Chicken. Jenny is also gonna be there. Baby Monster, Cardinals, Chloe. Where's SB19 here, man? I can see their name. David Byrne, Steve Lazy, Suede, Cornelius, Viagra Boys. Viagra Boys? God damn, what kind of Pentatonix is gonna be there. What the actual F, man? Pentatonix. God damn. That's awesome. Alright, so yun yung sa Tokyo. Sa Osaka ata yung SB19 kasi hindi ko makita yung pangalan nila. Pentatonix, nababasa mo ba yung Pentatonix, man? Do you know who those amazing musicians are? They just like do you know the movie ano ba yung hype niya? Pitch Perfect, yung parang sila, parang 5 sila kaya obviously Pentagon 5. They're gonna sing and they're gonna perform with just their mouths, obviously. Napakalupit nun. Search nyo sa YouTube, man, malupit yung Pentatonix. Saan yung SB19 dito? I cannot see their name, man. Where is it? I can see it.
kasama dito ang SB19. Yes, our boys will be performing in Summer Sonic Tokyo, Japan this August 15, 2026. So, July 30 for Lollapalooza and August 15 for Summer Sonic Japan.
Okay.
Konnichiwa, Japanese 18, we are
SB19!
and our visa has been approved and we are delighted to announce that we will be performing at Summer Sonic 2026!
Let's go!
And we can't wait to bring the energy of Filipino music to the stage and perform for all of you.
And don't forget to stream our latest single, Visa, and be prepared for the big day.
We can't wait to see you all.
Summer Sonic Show!
Very nice, man. What the heck? Let me just
Most prominent
go
music
back and find the name, man. What the heck? I cannot see their name. Maybe nandito siya. Tinakpan ng mukha ng 5 bano dito. I cannot see the name, man. What the... Where is it? I can't see the name. SB19. Maybe I'm stupid. Oh my god. Wala. MGK? MGK is gonna be there. The rapper? The Strokes. Keshi. Where is it though? I don't see it. Summer Sonic 2026. Let me just search it. Summer Sonic 2026. Images. Where is SB19? I'm missing something here. I cannot see. Oh, here. Here it is. Aside beside the Viagra Boys. Oo nga, nandito. Ah, ito. Oh my God, I'm blind. What the hell is wrong with me? Alright, so let's search what Summer Sonic in Japan. All. What is Summer Sonic in Japan? Summer Sonic is a major annual 2-day or 3-day urban music festival held in August, taking place simultaneously. It's a festival, I'm right. Festival siya, founded in 2000. It features a massive lineup of international rock, pop, and electronic artists alongside Japanese acts across multiple stages, generally situated near city centers. The video shows that it's like to attend the summer. Alright, man. Wow, that's big. That's huge. And SB19 really does the promise of going international. And the dream is finally coming to a conclusion. It's finally coming true na lahat ng ganap nila this year in their prime, it's all gonna be international. Who are the famous artists who has attended the Summer Sonic Japan? Di ko alam kung tama yung grammar ng hayop na yon. Has been hosted artists is held na. There's some famous artists. Okay, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Radiohead, okay, Coldplay. Pumunta yung Coldplay doon. Kahol ng kahol yung Dogs, man, ang ingay. Dogs, pwede manahimik muna kayo, Dogs? Thank you. Coldplay, The Chainsmokers, Billie Eilish was there. Ha? Baka sabihin ng iba, ano lang yan, Summer Sonic. Billie Eilish was there. Post Malone was there. Blackpink, Beyonce, oh my God, Beyonce was there. Metallica, Green Day, 21 Guns. Okay, Jen of Blackpink. Ito 2026, no? Queen, Adam Lambert, ha? Queen. Yung bagong Queen kasi syempre that's na si sino yan? Si Freddie Mercury ba? Tama? Kalimutan ko yung vocalist nun. So that's it, man. Oh my God, this is gonna be awesome. Summer Sonic Japan. Very, very nice. Sa lahat ng mga may kakayahan at malay mo, may mga libre sa atin. Yung himalang mangyari yon. Well, congratulations to our boys, man. They definitely deserve this and wala nang iba pang mas deserving kundi SB19 ang sumabak sa ganitong mga klaseng festival and it's gonna be awesome. That's very amazing. So, that's it for the dapat pala gumawa tayo ng segment, no? Alright, so this is Curbs PH P-Pop. Hindi P-Pop. Ang tawag nito, breaking news. Curbs PH breaking news. Ganon. Diba? Nakita niyo yung thought process natin doon, Curbs PH alright, Curbs PH breaking news. SB19 is gonna be on this summer Sonic Japan. Alright, so let's man, go there kung may pera kayo, okay? That's it. I hope you had a fun time. Nakita nyo pa yung ating paggawa ng intro dito. Subscribe for more news because it's gonna be fast as heck. Yun lang. Thank you so much. Ingat palagi. Subscribe to the channel. Have fun with your life. Alright, this has been Curbs PH and you must have been amazing. Cut.